Hey, Devansh, can you
Hello?
hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, how are you?
Good, good. Yourself?
Yeah, I am good. Thank you for asking me.
Awesome.
So,
Okay. Let me get
uh,
straight into it. We're looking to hire, we've already disclosed it, a Notion expert. Yeah?
yeah,
Yeah. We need to do some projects in general Notion, but we have one current one that is our main issue. Okay.
mhm,
We use Notion as our ERP system. So we have pretty much everything on here. And it's not built the way usual Notion guys or whatever it is actually build it out. So the way we've done it is every team space is a department in the company, okay? And we have one main internal database, okay? Uh,
mhm,
that database pretty much handles all of our internal operations, split by each of our departments, of course. So marketing, sales, finance, etc. Yeah.
yeah. Can you share your screen that you have set
I,
up
I
the?
I don't have my laptop on me. Let me see if I can get it out. Okay.
Okay, no
But
problem.
let me explain the issue first. Okay. And if needed, I'll share my screen. Yeah.
Mhm,
Um,
okay.
the main issue is we have one main database. We have multiple departments in the company, and of course multiple people. Yeah. So
Yes.
what the issue is, it comes down to the sharing rights. Okay.
Mhm,
So if I want to share a task with a specific department, team, or individual, I want only
mhm,
them to be able to see it. The issue
mhm,
is if I change the filters of the database, or if I click one other property, for example, it says sub items, all the other tasks come up. How do I
mhm,
stop that from happening?
mhm. Maybe that is a linked database issue and a filter issue. Maybe yeah, you have set up the automation and that will not correctly work. So I need to review your current Notion database in
Okay,
which you
let
send.
me get something up then.
Mhm. Yeah. Because I am using Notion last 4 years, and during this time, I have built 300 plus Notion template for my clients in different industries. And I am top rated on Upwork, level 2 seller on Fiverr. So I have a good expertise of all Notion features like database, formulas, linked role up relation, and other aspect with
Right.
automation and integration setup.
Yeah. Got it. Got it. Sounds good. Let me see. Let me see what I can do here. It might take too long to get on my laptop. I can share it on my phone with you as well.
Yeah, we have other option. You can record a Loom video and share with me
Too
like,
long. I don't have much time for that. Sorry. Let me just do it on my phone.
okay, let's try to show your screen. Yeah, and Danish, can you invite me in your Notion workspace? Then I will be able to view your current structure, and then I will be able to send you outline like what things is missing and what we can improve in database
Yeah.
and whole Notion dashboard.
You can see my screen?
Yes,
Hello?
yes,
Yeah.
I
So this
can
is
see.
Georgina, your recruiter. So the way it works is we have workspaces for all employees. So I'm giving you this one because you know George. The main
Mhm.
issue is this database. So this we have one main database, like I said, it's in our backend. And it pretty much handles all of the company's internal operations, right? Now, I only want Georgina to be able to see what I have assigned to Georgina, right?
Mhm. Mhm. In
Okay.
calendar
Now
view,
that
like you.
interviews, okay, sure, we don't really put that as task, but the issue is if I, because this is an inline database, if I go ahead and go to my filters, for example, right? I have an advanced filter set up, which is, of course, assigned to George, but she can easily change that. You know, she could put it to anybody else, right?
Mhm.
And then she can see other people's tasks, for example, or she can just go ahead and delete all filters, and then she would see the tasks of everyone in the company, for example. So how do I get past that?
So in the backend, when you assign a task of Georgina in calendar view, so then in calendar view, definitely Georgina will be see, the other option is available. Like in main database, we should to set up the automation, and like when you assign a task of Georgina, so Georgina will be first in receive like notification through email, and like with Georgina, if someone assign this task of Georgina, and Georgina will be
Okay,
able to
but
see.
see, I don't want there to be an email yet. Maybe you can do that. That's a good idea, actually. But what I need there to be done is Georgina shouldn't be able to go to the filters and then change the filter.
Mhm. Like when Georgina
Make
changed,
sense?
like, can you repeat again?
So if I'm Georgina right now, okay, I'm Georgina. I'm in my database. Okay, I click the ninth. Uh, Let me see what the tasks. Oh, I don't know why I can't see any tasks. It's weird. Whatever. So let's say I'm Georgina, right? And I see this database. Okay.
Mhm.
This database is filtered, advanced filter to assign to contains Georgina Elaine. Correct?
Mhm. Mhm.
You see it?
Yes,
Yeah, you see my
like when you select in filter Georgina, so definitely just Georgina task will be show here in calendar view.
yeah. But if I'm Georgina and I go to my filters and I
Mm,
click this and I click on another employee, I can also
mm.
then see their tasks. That's what I don't want to happen.
Your main goal is that when you select the Georgina, so Georgina task should be shown in calendar view. And when you select another like member, so the other task will be shown here.
Yeah, but
Like
Georgina can change it in her workspace by herself. I don't want that to happen.
mhm. Like you want Georgina, you want to give Georgina access. She can easily change something.
She shouldn't be able to change any filters. Georgina should not change any filters.
Maybe you have invite a limited invitation of Georgina, so you need to remove Georgina email for and send him again invitation in your Notion workspace as a member access, not a guest. Then Georgina will be
Okay.
able to, yeah, then Georgina will be able to change their filter and something she can.
No, but I don't want her to change her filter. I don't.
Hmm. But when you, okay, I understand you don't want to change the dinner filter, but when you like give him,
Exactly.
yes, it is a limited issue. If you should be removed first and invited again according to their limited access. If you want to give him access as a member, then she will be able to change and change the filter and something. If you give him access as a guest, then Georgina will be able to just view your view current task and she will not be able to change something.
Okay, okay. Look, I'm saying it for the fifth time now. I don't want her to change her filters. Only
Mhm.
Georgina's manager should be able to change her filter. Okay? Georgina
like
should
your
just see the task and complete the
Mhm.
task.
Mhm. Okay, I understand. So you should to give him access of Georgina as a guest, not a member. Then Georgina will be able to just see task and know, like she will not be able to change something.
How she
Uh,
can still change it.
for this purpose, like you can invite me in your Notion workspace, so I can set up Georgina access.
So you're saying I have to invite you to my workspace and then
Yes, Davinash, you assign me your Notion workspace. Then I check out access of Georgina. Then I will be able to assign him
I'll
again
show you
access.
I'll show you the access right now. Look, this is a inline database linked with the main database, and we've changed one filter, which is assigned to Georgina. That's it.
Mhm.
The main database is called Div Intelligence Operations. This is an inline linked view of it, and it's filtered to the property assigned to of Georgina.
Mm.
The issue is Georgina can log into Notion, even with a guest access, and then change the filter to see all the tasks in Div Intelligence Operations. She should not be able to do that.
Now, and Davinash, I need to access of your workspace. Then I will be able to give you clear instruction like what is happening with
You
Georgina
think you
and
can solve the problem?
yes, I can solve that. I understand your problem. So I need to review your
Okay, can
Georgina
you
current
okay, let's do
access.
this. I have two more interviews with two more Notion specialists after this. So that's why the call is only 15 minutes. Explain to me
Mhm.
what my problem is, and I think if you understand it, I'll give you access to my Notion.
Mhm. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, so explain to me what my problem is.
Yes, I address your damage problem, so you
No,
can
no, tell
inform.
me what the problem is.
Your problem is there, like you want when you assign a task of Georgina, so Georgina should be able to view like your assigned task, and she should not be you will not be give her him access not changes something. Make sense?
Okay, so you're saying Georgina shouldn't be able to change anything?
Like I have understand your goal. Like you want when you assign any task of Georgina, so you want Georgina should be just to view your task and complete the task, and you
Not
want
change any
not.
filters. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. So it makes sense. Okay, we can do this. We have to make sure when she sees the task, she should be able to open the task, make some changes
Mhm.
to the task, and then get out of the task back.
Yes, that is makes sense. I can do that. No worry.
Okay. All right. So we'll do another call. I have 2 more interviews.
Mhm.
We'll do another call tomorrow, or yeah, I think tomorrow works. Yeah.
Okay, Devinesh, after other
Okay.
interview, then
I'll
you
talk to you
can
tomorrow.
inform me.
Yeah, I'll talk
Okay,
to you
nice to
tomorrow.
talk
All
to you,
right.
Devinesh.
You too. Bye
Take,
bye.
bye bye.